Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul for you, and I may or may not be wearing PJs, but would we really be best friends if we didn't at least hang out once in PJs? Like, would we? So welcome to my PJ party.
Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs.
Let me show you all the stuff I bought. Get comfy, get yourself some tea. Let's show each other our stuff. So let me show you some of the really cool stuff that I found, and some of these are repeats, some of them are not. The first thing was the love sign. I went ahead and hauled this again. I did make, months ago, I made the Laundry & Co. sign using this, and then recently I made a cute little Farmhouse Valentines sign using 3 of these put together. So I do plan on making another sign. I'm probably not going to film it because it's going to be the same process as my Laundry & Co. sign, but I did purchase it for that. I think these are nice and sturdy, and the fact that they look like real wood planks is wonderful. I also do recycle the galvanized hearts because I think they're so cute, and I think I might be putting together a craft using these hearts. So fingers crossed I'll get that out this weekend. The next thing I thought was so cute, in the toy section they had puzzles. This isn't the first wood puzzle that I've purchased from Dollar Tree, but I loved that this one was a house. It is so cute. I do buy these for my daughter for her to play around with since they're really big pieces, and I don't really like giving her puzzle pieces that have small pieces. But I think I'm actually going to use this for a craft. I think it is so beautiful. Not as is. I think in my mind I see what it can be. So if you see these, purchase them. In the same wood scheme, even though this isn't real wood, I found these little plaques. It says, "For me and my house we will serve the Lord." I can't... Oh, "As for me and my house." The font on this is really strange. "As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord." And it has this beautiful little wood heart up top. I purchased 2 of them, and I'm hoping that I can remove the saying with acetone. Nothing against it. It is a beautiful saying, but I had something in mind for this. 2 years ago, I did take the larger wood plaques and I removed the saying using acetone, and I made them into mirrors and a few other things. So I'm hoping that this works the same way. Also, I really hope that you can remove the heart without it ruining this, because I really would love to reposition the heart somewhere else on this. I hope y'all are comfy and got yourself your tea. So now that Christmas is over, they've kind of slowed down with restocking the generic Jenga, the towery... Whew, I cannot talk today. The tumbling tower games. So now they have these, which is, of course, the tumbling tower games, but these are the ones that have the brown pieces as well as the unfinished pieces. See, I don't really mind these because you can always save the brown pieces, and if you know that you're going to, let's say, create one of my lanterns and paint it white, you can do it with all your brown pieces and leave your unfinished ones for crafts that you know you want to stain. So I always do buy them in stores. Even though you can buy these online, they are still available online. You don't have to buy them on Amazon. I've noticed that some people have been buying them on Amazon. It is not worth making a craft if you're spending more than $1 on this. So please, I know that you guys get excited when you see your favorite creators making stuff with the generic Jenga, but unless you can find these for $1 or find the real thing in a thrift store, don't spend $5 on this on Amazon. Just be patient, it'll eventually come. I found some Frank's Red Hot sauce. I really have been craving this buffalo chicken dip from Hooters, and I found a copycat recipe. I'm really excited to try it. I haven't been to Hooters for years. I don't exactly love the food, but there's something about that one chicken dip that is just so amazing. So I've been trying to replicate it for such a long time, and I'm really hoping that this recipe that I found is spot on. So it calls for Frank's Red Hot, and I'm really happy that I found it at Dollar Tree because I really hate buying full-size products of things that I'm never going to use again, and yeah. So Frank's Red Hot sauce, if you love it, it's at Dollar Tree. This is a really fun find, but I do wish that I brought more than just one of each letter. They're gold stickers, and these look foiled, very, very pretty. They remind me of the lettering on this, which I hauled last week or the week before. It's the Farm Sweet Farm canvas. So if you did love the canvas and you wanted to create something similar with a different saying, these stickers would be absolutely perfect. And you can always just get a gold pen if you wanted to switch up the font and handwrite whatever you want. So I thought this was really nice. However, if you can find a pack in a regular store that brings more than just one letter, it would probably be more worth it than Dollar Tree one, because I can't really spell much with one of each letter, you know what I mean? This is a common thing at Dollar Tree, but I can never find it. It is the quick cover contact paper, the clear one. Since I do have a Cricut and I do plan on playing around with it, I purchased this instead of transfer tape because transfer tape is really expensive, or transfer paper, transfer whatever. It's really expensive. So when you're starting out with Cricut stuff or silhouette, it's always nice to find a budget when you're playing around. They also have these book covers that can be used as vinyl. If you're starting out and you don't want to waste the good stuff, you can always use that. I haven't done videos on the Cricut yet because if you've noticed, I've been on a 3 video a week schedule, which means if I'm not filming, I'm editing. If I'm not editing, I'm doing a whole lot. So I never really get a break. I haven't had a chance to really go outside of my comfort zone and do other videos, but I do plan on taking a tiny little break from crafting so that I can open up my channel to other things. Recently, I posted a closet organizational video, and that was so much fun. Not only was it a lot of fun, but it was something really necessary. So I might do some cleaning videos on this channel simply because I spend most of my time cleaning anyway. So I was hoping to share some of that as well because I really just need to regroup. I hope you guys understand. But anyway, this, if you find it in stores and you do have a cutting machine like a Cricut or a vinyl or a silhouette, definitely purchase this. It is totally worth it. Speaking of organization, I bought more of these baskets. Right now is the perfect time to buy all things organization at Dollar Tree, at Target, wherever you like to shop, because spring is approaching and spring cleaning is definitely a thing. Everybody gets the bug around this time of year to organize. And I bought these for my daughter's toys. We have an ottoman downstairs where we keep her toys, but it is completely overflowing. So I've purchased a lot of things to kind of help put them in order, even if it's to put inside the ottoman, but just to have a place where she puts certain toys and just to give her a sense of organization as well. Because even though she's 3, it is not too early to get them into good habits. Speaking of organization, again, I bought more of the dish racks. Yes, the dish racks. And if you haven't watched the closet organization video, please do. I use this a whole lot in my closet and it saved me a ton of space, and also let me keep inventory of what I actually do have. So definitely if you see these or you see the shelf risers, acrylic organizers, those are things that are definitely worth it at Dollar Tree. You can also get them at Amazon. There are some bundles that sell really good acrylic pieces for your kitchen or for your drawers, but it's always nice to see things like this for $1. Also for my daughter's toys and just for random things around my house, this is the first time that I've seen these Shore Fresh rectangle lids and containers, and they hold 14.6 cups, 116 fluid ounces, and I thought this would be perfect for so many things, for puzzles, for big toys, Legos. We don't get her Legos just yet. I'm not trying to hurt my poor little feet since she leaves her toys everywhere, but there's so many things you can put in this, especially her bedding, like the mattress cover and stuff like that, to fold them all nicely and put them in here. I don't know about you, but I cannot fold mattress covers. I kind of just do a little lump thing. So I thought just to store them here, not to create any bulk, and put it like under her bed or in one of her drawers would be perfect. There's so many things you can do with this because the size is nice, and since it's narrow, you can fit it anywhere, under your bed, in a drawer, above on a really high shelf. I love when things are square and when they're narrow. I just feel like you can get so much use out of it. These kneeling pads are always around this time of year when they put their garden stuff out, and I love them. I love them. I love them. I have to use them when I bathe my dogs, and they come in so handy. But one thing that I will tell you is that if you get them wet, these colors do bleed. So you might not want to use this anywhere where you know it's going to stain. We have like a wood laminate in our bathroom, so that's completely fine. We wipe it down and it's done. But in our last home, our bathroom floor was pretty light, so we had a pink one that actually left a bit of a stain. So keep that in mind if you're also going to be using it for bathing your dogs or just to kind of like do things around the house where anything is wet. But I do love the size. It is perfect, great for your knees, not just for gardening. Always think outside the box when you see certain things at Dollar Tree. I also got this for my daughter's toys. It is a little cupcake travel thing. I will tell you this, if you are planning on using it for cupcakes, don't do it. Just don't do it. It is awful. These things aren't deep enough. They do fall over. I made cupcakes for someone last year, and I didn't want to take my expensive cupcake travel thing. The cupcakes were a disaster. But this would be really great for toys or anything that you would just want to put a lid on. My daughter does have a little kitchen, so if she wanted to use it for that and to put her little fake food, that would be perfect as well. So that's it for me. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for joining my pajama party. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you'll be on the lookout for, and hopefully next week I'll actually wear some real clothes for you. I don't know. Maybe this will be my thing and every haul will have a PJ party. Let me know below if you guys are up for it, because I'm up for it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.